Alright, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the Ninja. Now this design isn't mine, but I got it out of my friend's book, and I thought it was pretty darn cool. Flies really good if you make it right. If you make it just like that, it'll fly real good, With the nice medium to hard throw, you make sure the wings, when you're done, look like that. Just up a little bit. And let's get started. Keep wiping my hand on my pants. Not good. Alright. Paper. Now, first, you fold the top to the side. We're going to do the water bomb fold. If you already know what that is, good. If you don't, who cares? Alright. Point. Perfect point. Unfold. Do the same, but this to this. Perfect point. Unfold. There will be an X. Fold right through the middle of the X. And these tips will be at these end of these creases. Flip over. After you unfold that, flip over. Push down right in the middle of the X, and it will pop up. Now, you're going to want to take these bottom triangles and fold them down to the piece of paper, to the original paper, and then in there, flatten those folds out and push down on these. And there. It's the water bomb fold. Alright. This flap, fold that over. And you're going to want to take from the tip straight down to there, to that tip. You're going to fold it. So that's a fold from there to there. This is hard to do for me, so it might take me a while. I don't know why it's hard. It just never really comes right to me. There, I got it. Oh wait, no. Yeah. Fold that flap back over it. Take this flap. And don't fold this flap over. Just keep it like that. Or else it'll mess all these folds up. Do the same with this that you did this side. Just fold straight from here to this. And then take that flap and flatten it back over that. Flatten everything out. Alright, let me look at this now. Alright, and then fold this tip down to, like, you'll see corner there and corner there. Right? There's like there won't be a line, but there's like an imaginary line between those 2 points. Fold this top down to that imaginary line. Make sure to keep it straight. flatten out all your folds. Flatten them, all of them out. Just do it. And then, right at this, right here, so line, fold the tip back up. And then, it'll look like that. Fold back. Alright, now you flatten out all the folds again. This takes a little bit of hard work, a little bit of elbow grease. Alright, then the wing crease looks like that. There's no real measurement for it, but just right about there, about that big to that big, angle up. So I'm going to do that right there, that big to about that big. And then copy with the other side. Align the top up with the last wing. And there's the Ninja. Like I said in the beginning, that wing should be like a little bit lower than that wing. And there. It's like the same. This is a pretty good airplane. Alright. Hope you enjoyed folding this airplane. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed folding this airplane. I hope you enjoy flying it. Bye.